Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cheche. So today it's going to be a review video. A first impression review video. So I ordered the Tammi X Revolution new collab product. Okay. So this is how it came in this box, like this. And okay, I've not opened it yet, but I've opened this box because I want to see what's inside. Well, I've not really opened the product, so we'll open it together in this video. So it came like this, and when you open it, it opens up like this. How cute is this? Ooh, this is so interesting. So it says, "You are the revolution, I am the revolution." Okay, so guys, this is the inside like I showed you guys. So we are going to open it together. All right, so this is it. It's inside here, and it came with a card. It says, "Welcome to the revolution, Cheche." Oh, this is cute. Okay, let me take this away. See, this is so cute. So it says Revolution Beauty London. All right guys, so let's just dive in. I can't wait to do some amazing things. Okay, so I'm going to unwrap this. Okay, so this is the palette. Wow. So according to here, it says it has 28 shades inside. So this is a Tammi X Revolution Makeup Revolution London Tropical Twilight palette. Yeah, it's so cute. Let me open it up and show you guys the inside. So this is what it looks like outside the packet. And ooh, oh damn. Okay, so it comes with a protective shield as always. Oh wow. So it has a protective shield that you have to remove. I'm gonna try and remove this. Wow, this is so beautiful, guys. Can you guys see this? Can you see this beauty? So this is the palette. It has a mirror. And it's big. Actually big because okay, I don't own the first collab, but I own the second collab, and I'm going to show you guys the difference. So this is the second collab. This is the Tropical Carnival Shadow Palette. So this is the size. This is the size difference. So it's like actually bigger. So I just like big things. So guys, this is what it looks like outside the packet as usual. And wow, it also comes with a mirror and a protective shield. A protective shield, like just something that protects the products. Okay, so I'm going to, yeah, wow, this is so rich. Can you guys see? This is so rich. So this is the contour. This is the contour cheek. This is the contour cheek. This is the bronzed bell. This is the golden hour, and this is the blushed baby girl. Blushed baby girl. Okay, so this is how it looks like. This is so beautiful, guys. I don't know if this camera is doing justice to this thing, but this is amazing. I'm going to leave the prices here and also in the description box so that you guys will get it. I'll also leave the link to their website. I ordered it from the Revolution website itself. So yeah, and then the last thing is the lip product. Okay, so it comes with a lip pencil. Yep, it comes with a brown lip pencil, and it comes with 2 lip glosses, and this is just 2 nude lip glosses, and of course I love nude. And this is the shade Gone Rogue. Ooh, Gone Rogue. And this is in the shade Muse, Sheer Muse. So guys, I'm gonna do one look today and use one of the lipsticks, and I'll probably film another video of, guys, before I got this palette, the first day I ordered it, I've already started dreaming of the look I'm going to create with it. And even up till today, like this, I have this palette, I still have no idea what I'm going to do. I just got it, and every idea I had just disappeared, so I'm probably just going to do something new. Okay guys, so I'm going to go in first with this shade called Night Walk. It's a dark green shade, and another beautiful thing about this palette is that it has this palm tree engraved in there. Is it engraved the word? I don't know, but it has little tiny palm trees inside the matte shades, and it's so beautiful. So I'm going to go in with the shade Night Walk. Oh boy, can you guys see this? Can you guys see this pigment? Or is it just my eyes? Are you people seeing this pigment? Can you guys see this? This is so beautiful. I mean, I know this other one that I have, the Tropical Carnival palette, is so pigmented. I'm sure you guys are tired of seeing it on my channel. So don't worry, a new palette is out. So I'm going to just focus and pack this all over my lid. This is pigmented. This is, oh, do you know how beautiful it is to work with eyeshadow that is pigmented? It's so beautiful. Like, you don't even have to stress yourself. You just pack it on and it's there, showing up. So next, I'll be going in with this shade Mojito. This is a light green. I'm going to use this to blend out this green. Just blend out the edges of the green, because I really need the green to be very dark as it is. So I'm just going to slightly blend out the edges. I'm going to blend it out with this shade called Dusk with a K. Dusk. Yeah, so this is like yellow shade. It's yellow. It is yellow. So I'm just going to just blend out this green with this yellow. Okay guys, so I'm going to go in with this shade Firefly. This shade is so beautiful. So I'm just going to pat this on my cut crease. Okay. I'm going to use the shade Promises first, and then I'll probably just pack on the Firefly on top of it. That's what I'm going to do. So guys, I'm going to go in with that shade Firefly and just put it on top of this one. So guys, for this place, I'm going to add this shade Sun Rays. Beautiful sun rays. So guys, I'm going to add this Firefly on top of this one as well. So I basically cover my whole eyes with the Firefly. I'm going to go back in with the Night Walk at the darkest green that I used and just pack it here. So for the inner corner of my eyes, I'm going to use this shade Moonlight. I'm going to use this here. Oh guys, I noticed something. I don't know if it's my palette, but can you guys see this green and this white that I used? These two shades, this one called Promises, it's very soft. Like, I don't understand. It's very soft. Like, if you put your brush inside, okay, let me put my brush inside this white. See, it's very soft. Like, how? I don't know, it just feels wet. It feels wet. It feels like extremely wet, and I honestly don't like that feeling. So guys, I wanted to do the rest of my face off camera. I put on some eyeliner and mascara, and I just left the contour and the blush and the highlight. Okay, so I'm going to use the whole thing. No, not the whole thing. I think I'm just going to use the bronzer today. I'll probably film a more natural look in my next video, then I'll probably test out the contour, but for today I'm going to use the bronzed bell instead. So this is the bronzed bell. I'm going to use this to bronze up my face. Wow, hello pigments. I'm going to use this to also contour my nose or bronze up my nose. Honestly, I don't know if I should go in with the blush because I feel blushed and bronzed at the same time, but just for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to like dip my brush into the blush, and this is the blushed baby girl. Just that's it. Tap off the excess. So the last thing I'm going to use in this face palette is the highlight, and this is the golden hour highlight. This is beautiful though. Okay, so let's see how. Oh yeah. All right, why do I keep going in with SS products? Do you know what? I think this one is going to be enough for the whole face. I'm just going to use it. Yeah, this is definitely going to be enough. Guys, can you see this? Are you seeing this? Or is it not showing? Okay, this is beautiful. I'm just going to lightly blend this out. So guys, I'm going to do my lips, and it came with this lip liner and this two lip color. I think it's lip gloss. They are both nude. This is darker nude and this is lighter, so I'm going to go in with this one that is lighter with the lip pencil, and this one is in the shade Gone Rogue and this one is in the shade Muse. So the lipstick and the lip liner, they are all sealed, so I'm just gonna sear the seal. Okay guys, so the lip pencil is called Glory, and I'm just going to line my lips with it. And by the way guys, it's okay, you have to sharpen it. It's not rollable, so you can use it all the way down. It's like a normal pencil. So guys, I'm going to go in with this, I don't know what to call this, lipstick, lip gloss, and in the shade Muse, and just, this is how the applicator looks like. It's nice. It's good. Okay guys, this is the final look. Okay, so here's my final thoughts about the palette. I don't know if it's just from my own palette, because I ordered these things on 12th June and it just arrived 2nd July from UK to Australia. So I don't know if it's just from my palette, but honestly I'm not impressed with this shades. Like this Promises, I don't know if you guys can see these Promises. Let me show you. Just it's as if it's like going inside like a foam. Yeah, like a foam. The same thing with this Moonlit. I'm gonna try out the matte shades like this one, like just do something natural in my next look, okay? So that I'll test out this one. I'll just try as many colors as possible in this palette, but I think it's okay for the price and the size and the mirror. Of course, mirror is always convenient, extremely convenient. I mean, the matte shades are amazing. The matte shades are like amazing. Amazing. Like the green, the yellow, everything is amazing. But this other shade, the shimmers, I don't get it. I do not understand. I don't understand. Then for the glitter, it's okay, just that it has a lot of fallout, but of course it's glitter, it's supposed to have fallout. And then for the first palette, yeah, this is amazing. Like I said guys, it comes in 2 shades. It comes in medium dark and it comes in, wait, so it comes in 2 shades. It comes in medium dark and it comes in deep dark. So, and I got the deep dark face palette, and this is like thumbs up. And of course for the lip set, I'm going to use this thing so much that people will be begging me to change my lip color, okay? I'm going to leave the prices of these things in my description box, as well as the link to their website as well. So guys, this is amazing. And then they also gave me, I showed you guys in the beginning, they gave me get a free palette with your next order. So when I buy something that is worth $25, I get a free palette. Isn't that cute? And they wrote my name. I'm really impressed with how this look came out. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you loved this video or if you liked this video, just give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also tell me in the comment section, are you going to get this product? I feel like it's okay. I mean, this is great. The face palette is absolutely great. I feel like this is great. The lip set is great as well. Just that I have tiny little bit of problem. I have tiny little bit of problem with the eyeshadow, with the shimmers. That's all. That's basically all. But for the matte shadows, it's like great, and the rest. So this is amazing guys. So subscribe to my channel before you leave. Now like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.